Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again on Drunken Sailor Cocktails. I normally make a cocktail and I think they're always pretty good, but my wife wanted something a little bit different today. So what the boss wants, the boss usually gets. She wanted something that was refreshing. It was low calorie. And I'm not sure I know how to do the third one, but non-alcoholic. So now I'm thinking, and it hurts. It really hurts. I was out in the yard the other day and I saw some nice fresh mint. Our mint is coming in great, strong, and it's great for a lot of these cocktails this time of year. So what we came up with was a Lime Mint Mocktail Mule. No alcohol. Let's get pouring. One of the great things about this cocktail being really simple to make is it also gets made in the mug. So right now what we have is a chilled copper mug, and we're going to build in the glass. Taking fresh mint leaves, 7 or 8 of them, and then what I'm using is quarters of lime. So I've got about a half a lime in there, and I'm going to muddle it. If you don't like putting whole limes in there, you can go ahead and use fresh squeezed lime juice, but you're just going to break that up in there.
I can smell the mint.
Everybody can smell. Can you smell the mint out there, folks?
It smells great.
We need a YouTube smell-o-vision function. So we've got that all mashed and broken down in. And now we're going to take some ice. You're going to fill that mug with ice. And just a little bit more in there. And then, as any other mule goes, you're going to use a ginger beer. Part of the light, refreshing, healthy, non-alcoholic.
Keto friendly.
Keto friendly. We're using diet ginger beer today. Gosling's actually makes a 0-calorie ginger beer. So you pop the top. It sounds like real ginger beer when you do that.
It is.
As we put our mint in there. And there we have our Lime Mint Mocktail Mule.
Yeah, let me try.
Yep.
I would have liked a little lime wedge in there too.
You want a lime wedge?
Yes.
Little lime wedge. That way, if you have a little bit more lime, you can squeeze that in there if you want more lime.
Oh, it's really good. Very good. Thank you.
There you go.
Mocktail. No calories. It's amazing. Thank you.
Mocktail.
It's good.
Who knew? Thanks for joining us, folks.
Cheers.